When I'm in the streets, I'm on angles. In a place in the city that I can't go. And the bitch wanna fuck for the bank rolls, cause I got bank rolls. And I'm in the bank when the bank closed. You sell it, work wasn't quick enough. So I started robbing niggas, make them give it up. Hitting licks, I was applying for a big house. Out in Cali with the pounds, told them ship it out. But if it's too much work, we'll take the trip. So much work, I'ma make it flip. 100 cash.
Alright, what's up, everyone? We out here in Baltimore.
Hey, yo!
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
Got me, Kai. Got everyone out here. This is Philly to Baltimore ride out. We're about to be catching some work, so stay tuned. Kid say he got some work. What you got? Oh. Oh. What else? What else? Oh. Damn.
I really run it up.
Oh, oh! Yo, bluffing. Damn. You good?
Good. Yeah, you good? Huh?
Damn. Hold on, I gotta catch him. I gotta catch him. These cars are hard as nails. Oh, midday. Damn, what's
sir, landed. Keep coming, keep coming. Wow. Okay. Hello. Okay. Okay. Get that wheel up. Oh, watch your back too. See.
I got you.
Okay, man. Okay. Okay, watch your back though. Landed. Whoa. Landed that. Keep that wheel up. Okay, and then out of there, yes sir. The C2 and the C2 and the C100, the C100 and the C2, yes sir.
Oh, SRT thing. SRT thing right there. Got Porsche done. Good look. Hold on, I gotta bring it back. Dying. Dying. Dying.
C2 work. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Back up.
Oh my.
Damn. Oh. 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 Okay. He said up the curb. Red light, dummy. Damn. Yo, they got the helicopter. What? It's a whole helicopter.